So we just drove by a property that was 266 units. Looked like it was jam-packed. Physical occupancy was very high, but sometimes physical occupancy doesn't mean economic occupancy. James, tell us the difference between physical and economic.
Yeah, physical is really just how many people are in the units, right? So if you've got 100 units and you only got 2 vacants, then you're 98% physical. But in a lot of these properties, probably more on the class C side, you're starting to see economic vacancy increase. So what that means is, 98 people might be in the unit, but then maybe only 95 or 94% of the people are paying. And so you're having to collect all that rent, and it doesn't really matter if they're physically in the unit. What matters is what you're able to collect. And just on average, Class C properties have probably the highest delinquency, and then Class B, and then Class A. So that's one of the advantages as you move up the scale in class. You're going to have lower delinquency on these properties.